Did you know that our pores are the same size today as the day we were born? The problem is over time they fill up with dirt, debris, old makeup, dead skin cells, which is a breeding ground for bacteria. It also stretches the pores out, making them look so much bigger than they are. And this ages the skin. It makes it more difficult to achieve that smooth complexion look, which can also impact the way our makeup goes on because it settles into the skin and those stretched out pores. I know I would often resort to other products that would then try to blur my complexion and it would fill in the pores. So I was just making the problem worse. So I wanted to share one of my absolute favorite skincare essentials for deeply cleansing the skin. It's the Norwex Cleansing Facial Powder. So I use this every day after using my body and face cloth to remove surface level stuff, makeup, all the things. Before I get started though, I often get asked what I'm wearing. So this thing on my head is the hair wrap. I love it. After washing my hair, it draws out about 75% of the moisture, which means my hair dries faster and less heat, especially on days that I need to blow dry it and actually style it. This little bottle of magic is packed with natural plant-based ingredients. They gently exfoliate and cleanse our skin deeply, leaving it soft and super smooth and glowing. It's also really easy to use. It's safe for all skin types. It has prebiotics and probiotics that work like little helpers. Think like little carpenter ants that get deep into those pores and clean them out, scoops out all of the nasty stuff, the oil, debris, the bacteria. So why I love it, and so many of my customers do use it, is that it is perfect for daily use. It's good for all skin types, even sensitive skin. It's been dermatology tested. My teenagers use it. My granddaughters use it. So it's great for people of all ages, especially during that puberty stage where there's lots of excess oils. It's very eco-friendly, no harsh chemicals, no synthetic fragrances, none of the bad stuff, just pure, simple goodness. It has awesome ingredients too that actually work for us. Rice powder, which gently exfoliates and brightens the skin. Bentonite clay, which draws out the impurities and the excess oil, just leaving the skin feeling much more refreshed. Also, it has aloe vera, which soothes and hydrates, so it's perfect for calming any redness you might get. It has natural silk powder, which adds a luxurious touch, leaving the skin feeling very smooth and radiant. Plus, it has our Nordic Antioxidant Blend, which nourishes and detoxifies and removes pollutants. Also, USDA certified 93% bio-based. It's made from plants and other renewable sources. It gently and effectively cleanses the skin without stripping it or over drying it. Now, the prebiotics in it help support our skin's unique microbiome. And as I mentioned, it's dermatology tested, great for sensitive or allergy prone skin. So we're going to demonstrate this because it's time for me to use it anyway. So we're going to turn this camera over just a little bit, hopefully. Yep. All right. So what you do is you gently shake a small amount in your hand. I keep this hand dry. And then with this hand, I'm just going to get a tiny bit of water and add that. Now, for the texture of this, you don't need a lot. You want it silky, not milky. See how it's not milky white? And then gently work that into the skin. And I really like to get my T-zone, any areas that are extra oily throughout the day. And I also use this right on my eyelids. It's not burning my eyes, super sensitive. So it really makes it a great option, even for teens, preteens, things like that. And I like to leave it sit on my skin for a second. If we think about those little carpenter ants burrowing down and cleaning things out, that's what it's doing to the pores, which can fill up with all the nasty stuff. Then we're just going to rinse it off. You can rinse it off with water or rinse it off with a damp Norwex body cloth. And then you're just going to dry your skin. There we go. Feels so good. It feels fresh instantly. I can tell a difference. And then you're going to apply your normal skincare routine. So I use the Norwex skincare, but this can be used with any skincare line. It's just a great addition to your routine. I'll see you guys soon. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye for now.